Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys how to remotely control one computer from another computer. So the program we're going to use today is TeamViewer. All you got to do is go to teamviewer.us, download it, and then once it downloads, all you got to do is run the executable. And it's going to ask you how you want to install it. So for our purposes, we're going to do basic installation and personal, because personal is completely free. And once it installs, the program will launch. And then you have to just sign in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Alright. And then my laptop the laptop already has TeamViewer on it. So we're going to remote control to my laptop. You can remote control using password. Now when you first set up your account, it's going to ask for like a password security key that you can set to remote control the computers. And I would suggest setting one so no one who you don't want in your computer can access your computer. And so yeah, this is my laptop now. So it's full functionality, plays the audio through your computer. You can do anything you need to do. And you can also transfer files back and forth. So if you guys have any questions, just post them in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to them. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys. Goodbye.